folks. This is vanilla curry ice cream. I'm going to show you how to make this. Now, I know you think it's going to sound really crazy, but stay tuned because this will blow your socks off. Time to make the ice cream. Here we go. It's best if you chill your condensed milk if you can. I got 200 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. It's going to go into my mixer. Now I'm going to have to get this condensed milk out. Make sure, try to get most of it out. You know how it is. Oh yeah. All right. Then I'm going to go with 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. And I'm going to give this a mix for about 4 minutes or so on high. I'm going to start off slow so I don't splatter all over myself. And then we'll be back. All right, guys. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I know, curry powder really in vanilla ice cream. That's what I thought when I first heard about this about 25 years ago. So I thought it would be disgusting, but I saw a chef on TV doing it. It was like it was some kind of competition, like Iron Chef or something like that. I can't remember exactly what it was. But he won the contest that time, and I thought, hey, why not give that a shot? So I got some vanilla ice cream, and I threw some curry in there, and I just could not believe the taste. It was absolutely amazing. So don't knock it till you try it, folks. So I got a teaspoon curry powder here. I'm going to mix that up, and then we'll be back. All right, guys, it's done mixing. The curry's in. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm going to taste this to prove to you that I'm not messing around. This I could just drink that. That is so good.
I don't believe you. Let me try
That
this.
is so freaking delicious.
There's no way that this works.
You have to try that.
Wow. Wow, that's
It's
delicious.
so exotic. It's so crazy.
Holy smokes.
You would never think that those two would pair together. But vanilla and cream and curry powder and a little bit of sugar is out of this world. I'm just going to simply put this in our freezing container. I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys. The vanilla curry ice cream is done. It's ready to get into the freezer. So tomorrow, we'll show you the finished product. What do you say? See you then. All right, guys. It's been the next day. It's just ready to go. This is soft. It's so soft. So we're talking about vanilla and curry ice cream. You want to impress your friends. You want to just have them something to talk about, and they tell you you're crazy. But when they taste this, they're gonna say, "Wow, I would have never thought." Well, who would ever think curry and vanilla would go together? But I'm telling you, folks, it does. So we're gonna give it the old taste test. Boy, it's creamy, soft, and it is exotic. You've never tasted anything like this. It's so good. Remember, check our links. You know how to make this for yourself. If you're scared of curry, maybe cut down on half, but experiment and have fun. And you too will just, you know, kind of be like, I cannot believe I'm eating vanilla and curry together, but it's delicious. See you till next time.